Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. So I hope you all are doing great. I am back with another tutorial video of how you can create and use shared album in photos on iPhone. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your gallery on your mobile phone. Now here, go ahead and tap on the albums. Now in the top left corner, you can see the option called add album or just plus icon. Go ahead and tap on it and tap on new album or new folder or new shared album. Now tap on new shared album. You can also name it. Once you name it, go ahead and tap on next. Now in the next page you will be receiving this type of screen interface. Now here in the two options, write down the name or the Gmail of your friend that you want to share the album with. So once you have written it, go ahead and tap on create. So once you are done with it, you can add photos to that album and your friends will be able to see that album that you have shared. So this is how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be informative and helpful. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.